I might start vlogging. So this is my practice run. I haven't had any in a while. Any New Balances in a while.
I got those multicolored ones. Everybody love those. They still look new.
Really?
I only rock those many because they got red, yellow, green, and blue in them. Everybody love those shoes.
Here for
to get a pail of water?
Yes, that's what it is. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water, right?
Okay,
Jack fell down.
Damn, she's struck.
I'm done. Nobody's out here but us. I'll take mine down too. Oh, that does feel good. He will have a change of clothes, right? before.
Yeah, I was like, then again, it's not the same. It should, but couldn't it go like on the side?
Right. Because it's not covered over there. It's like that open
Yeah,
space.
that's the place that kind of turned me on, but I thought it was
It's like that open, that little gap there.
cute. For fairies. Y'all advertising for it. Y'all want these kids to do birds and challenge. Oh shit, my thing ain't coming loose again.
I think it's time for us to start running. You ready?
In great condition. You know what? They was telling me that Nike and them, they got that app you can run and walk. That's what I probably have to start doing.
Oh yeah, Nike Run Club. Vince and I use that.
It's back in shape.
This will do it.
It will. I need to start hitting the trail. I know I walk around the neighborhood like for 55 minutes, but this is a little bit more. I was recon, and I don't know if you ever go on the video, have you ever been on YouTube or not, looked at recon training? You gotta be able to tread up on the water like for 25 minutes. You gotta be able to carry, you know how that thing just came up? You gotta be able to carry a colleague, one of your colleagues.
No, your back?
On your back, like this, like a
Oh my gosh.
tent.
Oh my gosh.
Like, you like that scuba diving shit. All up on the deep up on the water shit. Like, you can do the deep. Nigga ain't going deep, can't swim.
He said, nigga.
I got you, bitch. I'm not doing it.
Oh man. Wait, did we already loop the trail? I see cars over there.
We probably do. It looks on that way, yeah.
There's some more people coming up here. Ooh, that's pretty.
I done bought so many damn waist trailers that they were just a waste of money. It's too tight. I'm like, damn, I know they supposed to be tight, but not cut my circulation off.
I've had this one forever. The one I have on now. I mean years. Like so many years. We might be lost, but we'll find our way.
I'll get back on the main street.
Yeah, and the quickness.
It's
We'll find our way.
not dark, so we're good.
So we're cool. Yep.
Yep, okay. I gotta get back to the trail soon because I don't want to be late for my
We did it. We made it out. Oh, so we came on out here, and when we left, we were over there. When we started out, we was over there. That was so fun. And that was definitely a workout. Here's a car coming. I almost got smacked up here.